In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Huawei Watch Fit 3 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To access the primary functions of the Huawei Watch Fit 3, you have to connect it to a smartphone, including of course an Android device. So all that you have to do to connect it to any compatible Android device is to download the Huawei Health application. This app will be used to access all of your devices and change a lot of stuff about it, including of course the watch face, the appearance, the settings, the contacts, and all applications that are installed. So look for the Huawei Health app, and once you install and open it up, you will be able to create a Huawei ID. If you don't have a Huawei ID, just follow the sign up prompt on screen and you will be able to get it created. Log in with your Huawei ID, and now you have to pair your watch. So in the Huawei Health app, go over to the Devices tab and choose the option to add a device. Your phone will start scanning for nearby devices. As long as your Huawei Watch Fit 3 is powered on and in close proximity of your Android device, it is going to be detected. If you want to make sure that it gets detected, press the side button or press and hold until it powers on. As long as it is powered on, it should be picked up by your smartphone. Now choose it from the list, follow the on-screen instructions, and the pairing process will be complete. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. This connection will not be completed if Bluetooth is powered off. And as long as you have Bluetooth enabled and you have both devices in close proximity, they will connect between themselves. You can always regularly check the Huawei Health application to ensure optimal performance and compatibility, and ensure that the Huawei Health app has the necessary permissions to access the phone's features, notifications, and more. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Huawei Watch Fit 3 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.